Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
And if you're looking to keep the water from puddling outside of your sink, well, look no further. This corner fast drying sink caddy from Okidokie Artichoke is really the ticket. This is made from diatomaceous clay, which is my favorite product on the market now. That is because it is a porous product, water loving, and quickly dries. So when I set wet products on there, my toothbrush, wet glasses, or even a sponge, there is no water trap. And in addition to that, there is a lift, making it aesthetically pleasing, beautiful, modern looking with this brass nice stand, and also pretty and no more water puddles. So this is very practical and gives me that nice look in my home. This was so easy to put together, was really shipped nicely, easy to maintain, just rinse it, don't put any oil cleaning supplies on it, and it will stay looking just as beautiful. That way, you have a wonderful way to combat all those water puddles.
I love these, but that's just my point of view.